all, our drama is Digital Dilemma from Screens to Sacred Scripts. Sarah, a northern girl who becomes addicted to social media after receiving a mobile phone from her parents. Feeling empty despite constant online use, she learns from her mother and father about the Bhagavad Gita and Ramana's teachings on self-control and dutiful. Inspired Sarah balances her digital habits with ancient wisdom, ethical and moral values, overcoming addiction and embracing a disciplined purpose for life.
Exams are really threatening.
Yeah, true, Karthik.
How much did you get in exams?
Only 87.
And what about you, Sunny?
91%.
Oh, I got more than you too. Our friend Sarah had gone to depression.
Yeah, I know. I have never expected that.
What? Show me.
It's really bad. We never know the next second of our life. She was a sincere student and a faithful friend. Don't know what has happened to her. Oh God, she was so good. Yours, lovely gift, daughter.
Wow, smartphone. Thank you very much that you are the best dad in the world.
This is not much other than the loveliest daughter in the world. Good night, my lovely daughter.
Oh, my poor child.
Mom, where is my phone?
Good morning, daughter. First have some coffee, my dear.
No. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? So, here you have hidden yourself.
Don't be so addicted to this. It is just wastage of time.
Well, it's not wastage of time. I'm just exploring the new value, my dear mom.
Hey charming girl, where have you been from so long? Come to our world, it's amazing.
These are my best friends. Come and meet them. WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube.
I have many friends too, but they are not more worthy than you all.
Sarah? Sarah!
Yes, mom?
Sarah, now we have to go, but we shall meet again. But remember that there are more exciting than this.
Why are you still using your phone? It's not good for you, my dear. Leave this device and sleep. You have school tomorrow.
I know, Dad, that I have school tomorrow. I'm just practicing for tomorrow's practical.
Oh, my hardworking daughter. Leave to the bed after completing work.
Okay, Dad, okay. You don't worry. I shall sleep on time. Good night.
Good night, lovely daughter.
Ain't you coming to school today? We have practical, my dear. Don't you remember?
Oh, I hate this all. I don't want to come to school. You may leave to school, simulator.
What? Why are you so harsh with me this time? Okay, I'm leaving Sarah, but my friend, be aware of this silly device.
You must not be like this to your friend, Sarah.
Oh, Dad, please leave me alone.
What's this? You have got failed in exams.
What? This couldn't happen to me.
It has happened, Sarah.
No, it's not possible. Oh God, it's not possible. It's not possible.
I will put a step out of the house.
I have warned you million times, dear.
No, it's not possible. It's not possible.
It's possible possible, my dear. Everything is possible. You swear by the name of the God, my girl. Wherever I am, God will never be.
Who are you?
Who am I is not important. What important is that you are being my victim in this world. Ha ha ha. Another victim comes up. We have one more victim, the another virtual teen of mine, who should be a wonder of our world. Oh my dear Lord, my Lord, order. Encircle the victim. Ha ha ha. No one can escape from us. The virtual world will dance to my tune. You all think that you are serving us, but not aware of the reality. You all are the fostering moons. You fools.
No, leave me, leave me, leave me, leave me.
Dr. Robinson, please, doctor, please, come, it's urgent.
Mr. Stanley, your daughter has been psychotic. Now I can do nothing. There is no way. The most effective virus which cannot be cursed in recent years. There have been millions of cases on this. I'm sorry, Mr. Stanley. I'm sorry.
Oh God, don't have a heart. Why have you done this to us? Why? Why?
You may see many times I have done this before, but now no one can put me behind bars. It's me. You know I can put you in behind. This is what happens one side. It's your destiny. I won't allow you, the widest of my power, keep using me deeper. Ha ha ha.
Mom, what do you keep reading daily?
It's wisdom from the Bhagavad Gita, Sara. It teaches us about controlling our mind, duties, and living with balance. Remember the story of Ramayana? Lord Rama faced great challenges but stayed focused on his dharma without distractions.
The magic of realization hit Sarah by her mother's words.
Maybe I should follow their example, focus on my duties and not just only on social media.
It's about inner strength and self-control, beta.
I will use technology wisely, but my real power comes from my calm mind and knowledge.
Proud of you, beta.
In school, she is tired and distracted. Her grades are falling and she doesn't talk to her friends anymore. It's not just her. Many children are like this now. The mobile has taken their time, their health and their kindness. We must wake up. The mobile is not bad, but using it too much is like a disease. It takes away our children's health, happiness and their future. Mobile is a tool, not a master. Let's use it for learning and fun, not for losing our life. Let's build a society where children are healthy, happy and kind.